Who's starting?
You can start.
Hello and welcome to the latest edition of Wanderers Wednesday.
You're moaning about my microphone angle.
Hello and welcome to the latest edition
Why have you started again?
Hello and welcome to the latest edition of Wanderers Wednesday. This is our weekly update, quick summary of where we're at with our van build. Now it is the end of week 9.
Yeah?
Week 9, blimey. That means we're into double figures tomorrow.
Oh gosh.
Scary, 10 weeks.
It is.
Feels a lot longer than that.
Yeah, but also it's gone really quick as well.
Yeah, weird, isn't it? Well, time plays tricks on you. So, yeah, this is where we're at. What have we done this week? So, tell me what we've done this week, Cheryl.
Right, so my brother arrived from New Zealand. Was he in the last one?
He was in the
He
last
was
one.
in the last one. But we cracked the whip
Yeah.
and put him to work. So now we have all of our electrical system in place. We've had a few hiccups where some more wires had gone missing.
Have they?
Yeah.
What's gone missing now?
Well, we couldn't find the water pump wire.
That was 2 weeks ago. We're on week 9 now. That was last week.
But that was Sunday. But we found it. No, we found that, but then we couldn't find where it went from there, could we?
Oh, well, we did.
So that we
It's
could
up
do
there.
the switch. Well, yeah, but it took a flipping long time and we had to take down lots of stuff to find it. So good news is that's all connected up, and we did a trial run with the induction hob and made our first cup of tea in the van.
Yeah, it's all good. So the 240 volt is done pretty much, apart from the 2 sockets to go in the kitchen when we do that.
And we're just in the process of making a box just to protect this. It does look lovely there, but we don't want it to get bashed and damaged.
Yeah, all wet. So we've made the box. We've just got to paint it and put it in. What else have we done? So we've put, you may be able to see in the distance, we put the bulkhead in. We built the bulkhead. We've done the shelf inside.
Yeah, that was actually, I wasn't looking forward to that.
No. It was all quite easy, really.
Yeah, because the bulkhead was obviously came out straight away, the metal bulkhead, and then we'd and ahed for ages about what that was going to look like, and we hadn't really been in our planning stage.
No.
But once we'd taken the bulkhead out, the headliner out to insulate behind, we then realised actually how much storage space was up there. And then we were a bit worried about the shelf being too oppressive when you were sitting in the cab.
That's fine.
But we put some wood in and it was absolutely fine.
Don't even notice it.
Ordered some 4-way stretch carpet. Oh, it was so satisfying. I want to find more things to carpet.
No, it's horrible. I hate it.
I loved it.
Horrible.
Apart from the smell of the adhesive, that was quite strong. Yeah. So that's all carpeted and everything. And then the bulkhead cab side is all carpeted. We've made the little peephole. You got another bit of bottom wall in, like where the bathroom will be. But don't mention the bathroom.
Yeah, we're having a nightmare with our shower and shower tray and bathroom size, and we've come to the conclusion that we're going to give up. We're going
to have a porta potty and poo in public.
We're going to put the walls in for the shower or bathroom, whatever. We're going to put the loo in it, but we're going to finish off the shower another time. We're probably going to get the shower tray custom made, which sounds ridiculous, but we just cannot find what we want with the drain hole in the right place. It doesn't drain through straight into the chassis or the exhaust or something stupid.
And then
like
you keep seeing like caravan and campervan trays. Everyone's like recommending to us on forums and stuff, but they look cheap as chips, and then you just see people on the forums, this is crack. So don't know. Obviously the really heavy stone one finally got picked up by the courier.
That's gone back.
So that cost us 50 quid that we shouldn't have spent, but anyway, to return that. Hopefully they'll give us a refund. Then we ordered another one on eBay and that arrived damaged, but the guy gave us a refund, and that was fine.
But we still haven't got a shower tray.
No.
No.
And I went blind last night searching for hours and hours and hours.
You
looking.
didn't go blind, did you?
Yeah, I can't see out this one now.
So yeah, so this is obviously the end of week 9. Tomorrow we start week 10. We've got 3 weeks left, and we are going away in this van for a few days. So obviously it's not going to be finished, but we need it at a level where we can use it. So we're hoping to get the bed in, maybe some seats. It might be a deck chair. a bit of kitchen, and some running water. That's
the fridge allegedly was dispatched today, but then they didn't send the dispatch email, so I don't believe that it's been dispatched.
Yeah, we're not having a lot of luck with stuff at the moment.
Well, yeah, well, you say that, and then we ordered carpet from an independent carpet place, and it flipping came the next day.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, so, yeah, hit and miss. But there's some things you can't sort out until you've sorted a bit of the van out.
So going into next week, so obviously it's Wednesday now, tomorrow's the start of week 9. This weekend going to be putting in the diesel heater, so hopefully that's going to go, connect it up to the diesel tank and all of that jazz.
We might have the underslung waste tank and the fresh water tank by
water
then.
Tanks hopefully
the
might
guys
be here.
said they're dispatched, so hopefully they're going to work out, and he could be the guy to make our shower tray.
Make our shower as well.
So we'll see if the water tanks are as good as we hope they're going to be.
I'm sure they're going to be fine.
And we can, get those in place.
Yeah.
And then we do need to prioritise the bed.
Yeah.
I think I could actually cope without the kitchen. If we were going away and we didn't have the kitchen and the hob, like I could go and get a.
Well, we can use the hob. We can use the hob.
Well, no, but it's not safe to just have that rattling about. It'll get damaged, won't it?
I wasn't going to leave it rattling. I was planning on packing it away in a box or something.
I'm not so sure about that.
We'll take the hob.
We should build a frame for it to go on, I suppose.
That'd be fine.
We don't need a sink necessarily, do we? We can take bottled water and a washing up bowl.
Yeah.
And we're going to travel with our van companions.
Yeah,
so they can chill the beer and cook the dinner.
Well, the fridge will be working.
Our fridge?
Yeah.
But has it got a cabinet to go in?
Well, we'll have in 3 weeks.
Will it?
Yeah.
Are you going to annual leave?
Yeah, I've got pretty much most of next week off work.
Yes.
So I'm just going to sit around and watch telly.
Judge Judy.
It's not on telly anymore.
Isn't she?
I don't know.
You have to watch her on
Right,
YouTube.
Anyway, stop waffling. Thank you very much for listening.
Listening, it's not podcast.
Watching. Well, they're listening to you ramble on. Ramble.
Oh my gosh.
Don't forget, if you haven't, ding the bell, like and subscribe.
Yeah,
for regular updates.
Yeah, do give us a sub. It does mean a lot to us, and it costs you nothing, but it means that we can grow our channel. And
which is great. It's growing quickly.
And keep up with the name suggestions. We've had some good ones.
Yeah, I have some great name suggestions.
That are kind of mulling over. There's a little short list. We have got a little short list.
Very little.
Is it?
So we'll see. So tune in on Sunday, 7 o'clock in the morning if you're up that early, to get the full edit of what I've been waffling on about. We've been waffling on about this week. So yeah, anything else to say?
Do your van your own way.
Yeah, do it your way.
Take care.
See you next time. Bye.